Hello children, how are you doing? I'm sure you're doing great. Children, today we will revisit and learn the topic articles a, an and the. ये टॉपिक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज आर्टिकल्स एक प्रॉपर सेंटेंस को मीनिंगफुल बनाने में बहुत ही मदद करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टडी. Articles a, an and the are called articles. A and the. English alphabet has 26 letters. Out of these, A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. A and an are indefinite articles. We use a and an with the singular countable nouns. We do not use them with the plural or uncountable nouns. This means हम a और an को सिर्फ singular countable nouns के ही साथ यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मतलब उन चीज़ों के साथ जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, ना कि उन्हें जिन्हें काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are those which can be counted, such as things, apples, books, cars, buildings, etc. Countable nouns here, and these are the things. Whereas uncountable nouns cannot be counted, such as water, rice, air, rain, etc. All singular things either take a or an before them. Let's understand the use of the. The is a definite article. We use the when we refer to a particular place, person or a thing. हम the का यूज़ तभी करते हैं जब हम एक particular किसी खास जगह, किसी व्यक्ति या किसी चीज़ के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं. A particular place, person or a thing. Now let's read along these sentences. He lives in the city of pearls. The bank is near our school. Here the writer is referring to the city means a particular city. The city of pearls. Let's have a look at the other uses of the. With the general words, that is definite. For example, I like the flowers in your garden. With the family names in the plural. For example, the Sharmas live in Canada. इसका मतलब जो family name या surname होता है उसको highlight करने के लिए हम the use करते हैं. The Sharmas. Another uses with the public buildings, institutions and means of transport. This also means it is a definite article. For example, the school that Manik goes to is old. Here, school एक building है, एक institution है. The school. Also, with the names of the countries in the plural or mountain ranges and regions. For example, the United States of America, the Netherlands, the Highlands, the Rocky Mountains, the Alps, the Middle East. All these examples are either mountain ranges or places or regions. Another use is with the names of statues, oceans, seas and rivers. For example, the Statue of Liberty, the Tower of London, the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Nile, the Rhine. All these are examples of ocean, seas or rivers. तो जब भी ऐसी जगहें होती हैं हम the use करते हैं उस जगह के पहले. The Statue of Liberty, the Tower of London. Another use is with the months, days of the week, which is also definite. Fixed. For example, I always remember the Monday when I had an accident. Here, writer is explaining कि हम उस एक पर्टिकुलर मंडे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जब एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. The Monday. And last, with the group of islands. For example, the Bahamas, the British Isles and the Canaries. तो यहाँ पे भी हम एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स के साथ ही द का यूज कर रहे हैं. The Canaries. I hope children you enjoyed this concept and you will revise it with the help of practice exercises.